Vikrant Massey is one of Bollywood's most respected actors, but his journey began long before the camera started rolling. At just 16, Vikrant was working to pay for his education and help support his family financially. Looking back, the actor recalled how those early struggles eventually led him to fulfill one of his mother's biggest dreams by buying his first home at the age of 24. Reflecting on those years, Vikrant said, "Stability was something that was very important to us. I come from a very regular middle class family. I started working at the age of 16, and no sane 16-year-old boy would actually venture out of the comfort of their home and make money or probably take up a job or clean tables at a coffee shop. One of the reasons why I had to do that was to support my own education, to support my family financially, and yet again, I'm glad. I'm so grateful that life took that trajectory because, as I said, I would not have been what I am. And when I bought my first small little house at 24, I ticked that one important box in my mother's wish list that no matter what happens, at least you have a home to come back to." The actor also revealed that he often hid the truth from his friends because he felt embarrassed about working at such a young age. While they played cricket and football after school, Vikrant would quietly leave for work, knowing he had responsibilities at home that most children his age didn't have. Looking back today, Vikrant says those difficult years shaped the person he became. Missing out on childhood moments, celebrations, and time with friends wasn't easy, but he believes every sacrifice helped build his character and prepare him for the life he has today. The actor says life has now come full circle. From working to pay for his college fees and daily expenses, he now finds himself choosing schools for his son. Vikrant says the transformation still feels surreal and is something he remains deeply grateful for. Vikrant's first earnings came during his school days when he landed a catalogue shoot that paid him Rs 200. He later joined Shamik Davar's dance troupe during class 10, earning his first monthly salary, while also working at a cafe in Warsaw before eventually finding his footing in the entertainment industry. Today, Vikrant's story stands as a reminder that some of Bollywood's biggest success stories begin far away from the spotlight with determination, responsibility, and years of hard work.